Model, 2015 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4X4 3.2 TDCI Automatic Spares OR Repairs Starts Drives Starstruck. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 88,172. MOT, 13 August 2024. Engine, 3198 cc 3.2200 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Suspect it's down on compression on a cylinder. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. This is a well looked after pickup grin. Features, part service history, cruise control, parking sensors, 2 keys, air con, electric windows, sat-nav, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.